Hi, and today we are going to talk about what makes the Sound X so great. So let's take a look. Now, the Huawei Sound X is your perfect speaker companion, and that's thanks to Huawei and DVLA joining forces. The Huawei Sound X harnesses the power of DVLA sound active matching technology, which tailors sounds to the characteristics of the speakers. With the dual subwoofers reproducing sound signals in real time, it brings you high fidelity audio exactly as it's meant to be heard. And with bass hitting as low as 40 Hz with a peak-to-peak amplitude of up to 20 millimeters, you will see, hear and feel the vibrations. Most traditional speakers at high volume will shake and lose audio quality. With Huawei's push-push acoustic design, that isn't the case with the Sound X. There are 6 powerful tweeters, allowing the Huawei Sound X algorithm to produce incredible surround sound. Each tweeter has been individually designed for optimum sound, and together they push the frequency as high as up to 40 kHz, creating that 360-degree surround sound field. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. Please feel free to subscribe and click the bell so you get notifications on all my future videos. Stay safe, guys. Bye!